20i's WordPress Manager provides a central hub for managing, viewing, and updating all your WordPress websites from a single, easy-to-use dashboard. To go to this, log into your My20i account and select WordPress Manager. When you first access WordPress Manager, you'll see a detailed overview of each individual WordPress site. The tool automatically fetches information about all installed plugins, themes, and users for each site. It also displays the version of WordPress being used, the PHP version running on the site, and whether any website turbo credits are currently applied. At a glance, you can quickly identify what needs updating, such as plugins, themes, or WordPress core versions, helping you keep every site secure and performing at its best. The WordPress Manager displays the following details for each website: site name with a direct link to the live site, malware scan results, current WordPress version in use, SSL certificate status, and much more. For more help, check out the full documentation at docs.20i.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.